I am inside my KDP reports dashboard, and you can see during the last 30 days I have earned $576 only from 17 books. You can see March 1 to March 31st. As I am recording this video, today is 31st March 2026. This is my current month earning, and during the last month I made $436. You can see the graph here. If we go to last 90 days, I have made over $1,266. You can see the graph here. And if we go to last year, you can see I have made over $4,545. And if we go to lifetime, I have made over $14,317. I started publishing books in August 2022. I publish high quality medium content books, and so far I have published 17 books. Out of these 17, 16 are live and making money for me. If you want to learn the whole process, I have created Amazon KDP for beginners, where I teach everything step by step using almost all free tools. You can check out the link in the description below, or find a link to this page anywhere on this video, top or below, or you will also find this link in the pinned comment. This is step by step process I follow to create high quality medium content books and make passive income online every single month from Amazon KDP. Normally priced at $47, but for a limited time you can get $20 off by going to this discounted link. You can see here you can pay what you want. Minimum price is $27. This is limited time price, and if you have questions, do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you there.